classic car, it'd be this one. And better yet, it's a show winner, just like Dr. Atomic is. And you know what? We have to talk about it. It's a beautiful car, a winner for many reasons. Let's talk about why.
1955 Chevrolet Cameo. Very unique car to begin with. Fiberglass box on the back. Unique, built in the same factory that the Corvettes were. It was very early technology for a Corvette to have fiberglass and Chevrolet. So, of course, Chevrolet Corvette was not the first car with a fiberglass body.
And let's talk about the engine under the hood too, because it's big, but it's beautiful.
Yes, big, 455, fuel injected. It's a factory engine you buy from Mr. Goodwrench. It's a beautifully restored car, but not any more beautiful than what? Our new beautiful gift store. I know you wanted to mention that, and that's Dr. Atomic's Fusion Emporium.
Okay, let's talk more about this gift store, because when you come through here, you're gonna see all the cars, which are great. You're gonna see more of the motorcycles that you have, but you set foot in this gift shop and you are transported back in time.
Yes, you are. We build spaceships and rockets. We have over 5,000 items. Denise is a curator in there, and if there's something you've always wanted, let's say it's something from Harry Potter, or it's something from the Ghostbusters, or it's something from Planet 9. They've got everything you can imagine in there. They also have candies, and treats, all kinds of fun stuff. So it's something for the family to visit. It takes a few hours to get to the Emporium. It's something everybody should see.
That's what this place is for. It's for the families. You do great events on Sundays as well. Little cars to match the big cars, right?
That's right. Every Saturday and Sunday, of course, we're open 10 to 2, free donuts, but on Sunday special. When you were small, did you ever do Pine Derby racing? Many people did. We have folks in their 80s that are out here on Sundays. They get free pizza. When it runs out, so get in quick. Be here at noon for the hot pizza. But they have Pine Derby racing. We have an official time track. We set it up, we have a lot of fun, and there's always a big crowd.
And now I want to bring it back to this beauty right here. It's a Resto-Mod. Let's talk more about restorations, because you actually do that here on site.
Yes, 37 men here, of course, all run by my beautiful wife, Kat. Yes, it's absolutely fabulous. We have a great team of people. We would have painted this truck, we would have done all the chrome. We took the truck off of the chassis, we cleaned the chassis, we strengthened it, we boxed the chassis, and we put a new modern suspension under it, coilovers, and a 4-link rear end. That way the car handles better. Of course, big disc brakes all the way around, typically hydro boost if it's going to be Willwood. But a car like this will have beautiful full leather interior, tilt wheel, air conditioner, power steering, and power brakes.
Basically drives like new is what it comes down to.
Better than what they had in 1955, I promise you.
Definitely. Now, someone can actually go home with this, which is kind of the nice part about coming down to Atomic Motors. You're not just coming to look at a beautiful car, you're coming to possibly go home with one.
They're all for sale, and we do take trades, so we look forward to the trade, and if there's something we can take in trade, we will. If we can't, we'll maybe send you in the right direction to get it liquidated somewhere else. But it's not a problem. We have beautiful financing, up to 15 years on approved credit, and they all come with a warranty.
So you got to come on down, see this one before it goes. I can't imagine it sits here forever. It's an absolutely beautiful car. Check out the gift shop as well on the way in and take a tour of all the other amazing things that they have here at Atomic Motors.
Thanks for watching this segment from On the Lot. If you haven't already, be sure to watch full episodes by downloading the 5 Drive TV app on Roku, Fire TV, or Apple TV.